Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you resize images in Canva. So let's get right into it. So once you've started a Canva project, you can see here elements on the left side, and let's choose first the image we want to resize. So you just have to go over to the bottom here until you see photos. Just click on see all here and you will see different kinds of images, and you just have to choose one and drag and drop that to our project. So for example, we want to use this one. There. You will see here dots and lines that will go ahead and adjust the scale of our image. So the difference between the two is it will adjust or transform that image accordingly with the dots, and with the lines it will adjust it and it also crop it like that horizontally or even vertically. You can also go ahead and right click and set the image as background, and that will automatically fill the background with our image. But the only problem with this is you can't really adjust the size of the image. So we can go ahead and manually do that by right clicking and detach the image from the background. And we can go ahead and use the lines and dots here. You can also use custom sizes for the image. You just have to go over to magic switch here. You just have to go over and choose custom size, and you can adjust the image accordingly. If you want to use templates, you can also choose social media here, and you can pick what templates you want, whether if it is Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and even Twitter. So that is how you can easily resize images in Canva. If you find this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. It really helps us out.